Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wistia for LinkedIn lead capture, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Wistia for LinkedIn lead capture, start by ensuring you have a Wistia account. Log into your Wistia account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wistia dashboard. Locate the project where you want to set up lead capture. Click on the project to open it. Within the project, select the video you wish to use for lead capture. In the video settings, find the Calls to Action option. Click on Calls to Action to configure your lead capture form. Select Add Lead Capture from the available options. Customize the lead capture form to include fields such as name, email, and any other necessary information. Design your form in a way that matches your brand's aesthetics. Once you are satisfied with your form design, save your changes. Next, look for the Share button within the video settings. Click on Share to obtain the embed code for your video. Copy the embed code provided by Wistia. Now, open your LinkedIn account in a new tab. Navigate to the LinkedIn page or post where you want to embed the video. In the post editor, paste the Wistia embed code directly into the post. Review your post to ensure the video appears correctly. Add any additional text or context necessary to accompany the video. Once everything looks good, publish your LinkedIn post. Monitor the engagement and lead captures through your Wistia dashboard. Adjust your form or video settings as needed based on the data you gather. With these steps, you have successfully installed Wistia for LinkedIn lead capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.